Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this blending effects in DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to move beyond basic overlay and use blending modes like the cinematic master, here I'm going to show you the shadow effects in DaVinci Resolve. So what you need to do is just add your clips to the timeline and then add the shadow overlay on top of your main clip like this. And now you need to change the composite mode. Just choose the one that fits into your overlay. I think I'm going to try soft light. You can adjust the intensity. I think I'm going to choose the multiply and lower the opacity a little bit like this. And now you need to duplicate the main video in here so that the shadow will be behind the object. So click on the Alt on your keyboard and then drag it on top like this. And now remove its background with a 3D keyer. So in here, I'm going to find this one, 3D keyer, drag it into the video. Click on this drop down and choose the Open Effects overlay. And now choose the soft options in here. And I'm going to brush it off like this and choose the soft option. And done. So this is the shadow effect in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.